Now let's proceed with the problem number 2. Jacob had saved 3,500 pesos in an account which offered 8% simple interest per annum. He withdrew 1,000 from the account 7 months later. How much left in the account? So, given, saved, invested, or deposited are what we call the present, face, or the principal value. The rate is 8%, or that is equal to 0.08. He withdrew 1,000 from the account 7 months later, so the time is 7 months. So it should be expressed in years, so we know that there are 12 months in a year. That is 7 over 12. Then, what is asked in the problem is how much is the amount left in the account. So we're going to put it here as the amount is equal to the accumulated value minus the withdraw, which is 1,000. Okay, let's have now the solution. So first is we're going to determine the accumulated value, and we have the accumulated value is equals to I plus P, or P plus I. In this given, there is no such I, so we can use the next formula as P times 1 plus RT. And by substitution, let us substitute 3,500. 1 plus the rate is 0.08 times the time is 7 over 12. Using our calculator, let us do in this way. So 7 divide 12, that is 0.58333 and so on, multiply to 0.08. Now, in solving or computing for this process, let us not have to do the round off unless it is a final answer. So that becomes 0.046666 and so on. Add to 1. Then we have 1.04666 and so on. Then we're going to multiply it to 3,500. So we have now 3,663.33. So this would be our accumulated value. Therefore, the amount left, expected amount that Jacob will expect after withdrawing 1,000 after 7 months must be 3,663.33 minus 1,000. The answer is 2,663.33. Final answer. Let's proceed with problem number 3. Simon deposited $1,400 in his bank account. After 3 years, the account earned $294 in interest. Find the simple interest rate. So in solving that, again, let us determine the given. Okay, so he deposited 1,400. That becomes the principal or present value. After 3 years, that is time, the account earned 294 interest. So meaning to say that is all about the interest. Here, the requirement is about the rate. So how to solve this rate? Again, let's go back with the formula. I is equals to P or T. Solve it algebraically. So let us derive. So I is equals to PRT. Divide all equation by P and T for the principal value and the time. Cancel, cancel. So we have now R is equals to the interest over the product of principal value and the time. So, therefore, R is equals to interest is 294, substitution, over 1,400 times the time is 3. Okay, so this is 294 over 1,400 times 3, that is 4,200. So let us put here 4,200. Then 294 divide that product, we have 0.07, or that is 7%. This is how we solve problem number 3.